We'll show you how to download and install Adobe Acrobat on your PC or laptop. If this helps you out, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Adobe Acrobat is extremely useful for opening and viewing PDF files. So let's get it installed. To begin, open up a web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Head over to a search engine like Google or any other you prefer. Type in Adobe Acrobat Reader or just Adobe Acrobat. Look through the search results and make sure to click on the official Adobe website, which is adobe.com. The page might take a moment to load, and once it does, you'll see multiple download buttons. You can decide whether you want to include McAfee Security Scan, plus I personally don't. So I'll just click on Download Acrobat Reader. Once downloaded, minimize your browser and open File Explorer. On the left, click on Downloads. You'll see the installer file there. Double-click the file, and you may get a security pop-up. Just confirm it. The installer will launch, and you'll see it say, Downloading, ... Wait for it to finish, and once done, it will say Installation Complete. You can choose whether or not to launch Adobe Acrobat immediately. Then hit Finish. To open a PDF with Adobe Acrobat, right-click on a PDF file. Hover over Open With, then click Choose Another App. Select Adobe Acrobat Reader, check Always use this app, and click OK. That's it. You've successfully installed and set Adobe Acrobat as your default PDF viewer.